Stop whatever else you're doing right now. Bring your focus entirely to your physical body and pay attention to exactly what is happening to you as you stare at this screen. By locking your eyes on this video, your blink rate has instantly dropped by a massive 50%. These symptoms indicate that the eye's biological requirement for moisture is being starved. A blink functions as a mechanical delivery system, physically spreading a protective shield across the surface of the eye. This diagram shows that the shield is made of distinct layers, specifically an outer oil-based lipid layer and a middle water-based layer. The outer lipid layer acts as a cap. Its purpose is to physically prevent the inner water layer from evaporating into the air. When the brain focuses on digital pixels, it suppresses the body's natural trigger to blink. Without the wiper effect of the eyelid, the lipid layer degrades. This leaves the water layer beneath it exposed, causing it to evaporate rapidly. This creates a tear film imbalance. It strips away the eye's natural armor, leaving the raw surface exposed to friction and the environment, which causes the irritation discussed earlier. To prevent this, you can use the 20-20-20 rule. It serves as a 30-second manual override to reset the body's natural timing before structural damage occurs. Every 20 minutes, you must break your gaze and look at an object exactly 20 feet away. Focusing on screens keeps your internal ciliary muscles in a state of constant contraction. Shifting your focus to a distant horizon line forces these muscles to release their grip on the internal lens. Hold that focus for 20 seconds. That specific duration allows the muscles to relax and reboots your autonomic blink reflex. Adopting this micro-habit is a sustainable way to maintain a digital lifestyle without causing a decline in your vision. While habits are preventative, chronic cases of dry eye require clinical intervention to repair the degraded tear film. As shown here, treatment options include lubricating eye drops, warm compresses to stimulate oil glands, and maintaining proper hydration. Check your daily screen time. If your symptoms persist despite making behavioral changes, personalized medical care is the necessary next step. Dr. Vishvesh Agarwal is a vitreoretina surgeon who specializes in the advanced care required for these conditions. His clinic is located at Office 109 on the first floor of DNK Square on Airport Road in Pune. Preserving your vision requires a combination of managing your daily screen habits and knowing where to turn for professional clinical repair.